Hola, mi presente es un traveling abroad project. Uh, the song I picked was La Bicicleta by Shakira. These are the words that I knew from the song. Most of these are repeats of each other because the song repeats over and over again what it is. So like, for example, Felice I know is used multiple times in here. Está is used multiple times in here. Llévame is used multiple times, and I highlighted those because I knew what those meant. Escribir is like to write. Donde is where. Just words like that, words that I knew and that seemed familiar to me. And some of these words that I did not highlight, some of them are words that I know, but they're just too simple. Like T is like tu or you, and K is like what, or examples like that. Horario de autobús. This is a bus schedule in Spanish. Here, let me see if I can enlarge it. I can. And it gives like examples of days and itinerary. Lunes y viernes. It comes at a certain time, certain amount of money, certain everything. Like and different trains or different buses. Y direcciones desde River Ridge a Canyons en el centro de Woodstock, or downtown Woodstock. Gire a la izquierda en la carreta de Arnold Mill. Gira a la izquierda en 2.3 millas en Hubbard Calle, or Calle de Hubbard. Girar a la derecha en la calle Wheeler. Gira a la izquierda en la calle de McAfee. Gira a la derecha en calle de Chamber. Canyons está en la derecha. Traveling. Hold on one sec. This project. Alright, good, I have it. This one is translating a travel page and having a example of where I want to go in a Spanish-speaking country. So I wanted to go to Sao Paulo. It's in Brazil, which is a Spanish-speaking country. And this is one of the top part right here is one of the main attractions there. And it says on the top, translated it says Esta estructura exhiba antiguos maestros europeos junto con el surrealismo y el arte abstracto brasiliano. Su colección clásica es la mayor de América Latina. Entre los maestros Van Gogh, Renoir, Picasso, Dalí y Toulouse Lautrec. El edificio en sí fue diseñado por el arquitecto Lina Bo Barry. Mi encuentro cultural. Mi encuentro cultural ocurrió en Los Bravos. Hablé con mi camarada en español y durante todo el tiempo hablé solo en el español que sabía decir. Pide algo de beber para mí y para mi padre cuando estuve ahí. El caminero dijo en español, tu español es muy bien, pero necesita ser más fluido. Descuento tomar un viaje. This is a text message of where I want to go, and I said that I wanted to go to Belize, which is a Spanish-speaking country, or it's an island, and I have what I wrote in Spanish to mi madre, and I translated it to the right, and it says, Hola, hola, podemos hacer un viaje. ¿Dónde te gustaría ir? Me gustaría ir a Belize. ¿Cuándo te gustaría ir? Próxima fin de semana podemos tomar un avión. No, el próximo verano. ¿Cuándo en el verano? Tal vez julio. Ok. ¿Dónde nos quedaremos? Un hotel donde Don y Audra se quedaron. Increíble. No puedo esperar. And it is translated on the right side of the slide. Guia de viaje. This is a city guide for Atlanta that on the left, and this is in Spanish, and I translated it into English. So la ciudad de Decatur a 10 kilómetros al este de Atlanta tiene más de 200 boutiques, restaurantes y galerías. And in English that means the city of Decatur, 10 kilometers east. Let me edit that real quick. East of Atlanta has more than 200 boutiques, restaurants, and galleries. And it also says down here, it says 30 minutos al este de downtown se encuentra Stone Mountain Park, el cual ofrece aventuras, attractions, y el laser show spectacular, which in English that means 30 minutes east of downtown is Stone Mountain Park, which offers attractions and the laser show spectacular. Each of these is a different thing to do in Atlanta, and it's in Spanish, and I translated all of it into English on the right. Guia de Viaje. This is another Atlanta city guide, but this one's in English, and this one's about Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, which is the Atlanta airport, and it is written in English in the left side in the article, and in Spanish I translated it. So as the world's busiest and most efficient airport, Hartsfield-Jackson National Airport is a major hub for global transportation network. El aeropuerto más activo y eficiente. Atlanta International Airport es muy mayor transporte y ATL ofrece servicio a más. And it goes down a little bit, and it says that 150 domestic and 70 international destinations. And then I put 100 y 40 destinos nacionales y 78 internationals, and that's how many go through Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Interesante sobre la cultura española. That means like an interesting fact or something that happens in Spanish culture. And what I talked about was the different gestures or slang, or not slang, but sign language type of things in America and in like Spain or Spanish cultures like that. and it says, en España y otros países de América Latina, algunas diferencias entre el gesto español y los gestos americanos. En América, la mayoría de las personas salen con los dedos, pero en España salen con las naras. So they point with their nose. Es una señal de falta de respeto cuando salen a alguien. También en España tiene substituto para las palabras moverte los dientes con una minucha es una acción ofensiva y mover los dedos de la nariz también son acción ofensiva. So like doing this isn't offensive in their culture, even though in America like that's not offensive at all. And en America también tenemos signo de falta de respeto. El ponerse dedo medio en el which means, as you know, the middle finger is a disrespectful thing to do to everyone. And in like Spain and some of those cultures, it's not at all offensive, and they don't even know what that is. But in most of them, they do. Like in Mexico, you could probably go down there, and most of them will know what it means. And es mi proyecto. Gracias.